Hello guys! Today I'm excited to record a short video for beginners to introduce a powerful tool. So what do we have here? This is Power BI. As an accountant, I started using Power BI a few years ago and it completely changed my career path. Today I'm a data analyst in my company. And if you're looking to work with a large amount of data and want to present it clearly and simply, Power BI is exactly what you need. So after you downloaded this program, you can open it. Here we have the first panel is like data panel, the main, where we can request the data. Um, how we can request data. Here we have Excel workbook, OneLake, Data Hub, SQL, and a lot of different options to request the data, XML, JSON, etc., etc. But make it simple for beginners. Let's request Excel workbook, just the first one, and see what happens. The first we have like data. This is accounting entries actually, and let's go and we have two options, load and transform. Let's transform it. Like this is Power Query Editor, automatically open when you request the data. You can also request it from this panel here, the key transform data when you need. And so just see the data what we have. We have date, debit, credit, amount. Yeah, and we would like to change some part of data with date type because we have to recognize the data properly. This is the first rule, I think so. So let's be fixed decimal number, and this is text. So from here you can request a new source, new workbook if you need. And after you make some changes, let's make some changes that add some column here and transforms the data. Like let's multiply amount by 10 and make a new column. Change data type. So after you make some manipulation of data, make some formula. The formula you can find with Power M language. Just Google it. It's a simple way, like Power M. Have a lot of different operator, data, relation model. So we have a lot of function here. For the first type, you just request the data and make some manipulation like multiply, etc., add, subtract, and just close and apply. So here we have a data. You see the attributes of the data on the right. We have here filters for our visualization for our page and different options for visualization. On the left side, we have table view here. Here you can see some data. You can review it, but here you can only see the data and cannot change it as we can change in Power Query. Here we have semantic model. Now, as of now, we have only one table. And here we can make some relationship between two tables, but as of now, we have one table. So, and the last one is like for advanced users, it's like the DAX query view. First of all, just try to make some graphs. Let's make some. Like here we have data, and here we have amount, And you see like only one dot. Interesting one. Yeah, so this is because we have some hierarchy of the data. So we have year, quarter, month, and when you click here, you can make like it's first per quarter, per month, and here per day. Yes, we need per month and make it go to the format visual X and make it categorical. I like a little more with that. So here we have small example. We can add some data labels here. Let's make it more beautiful, like millions, zero, like change amount. Here we have column tools. Let's make it more decimal number. Let's clear a little bit data, like clear the title. So we have some, I think, not bad visualizing. Or we can say not good, not terrible. And like make it, I add some filters to see how it's look like. You see here you can select some part of data and makes some interactive things with data. It's like cool stuff. The first of all, for Power BI user is like amazing things. So let's make like here some another one, legend and month, and also add the data labels and make it value millions. Nice, nice. So here's this small example how we can use Power BI for the first time. And in the next video, you can see how we can engage with different type of data with several data table and in several files. So it will be more complicated than that. But like for the first time, you should understand that it's really easy to use, easy to start.